So let's say what you want to do is you want to go around and then let's say, for example, generate a document of some sort like a CV with formattings. Then what you can do is you can utilize HTML codes for that. So I'm going to go around and say, let's say my name is Pratik Pradhan, and I'm going to go around and say generate an HTML code for my CV. Write my let's say specialization as a digital artist right here, just like this. And I'm going to say make the CV colorful over here, CV colorful and full of graphical elements. I'm just going to go around and do this right here. So I have this keyword right here, generate an HTML code for my CV. So I'm going to go around and send my message around over here. And what happens is that it is sent to the ChatGPT, and you can see that it is processing it out right here. And then over here, you can see that it generated out this document over here. So you can see that I have an HTML document around over here with everything else. And you can see that this is what you have right here. And I have an HTML document. So let me just go around and copy out this code. And now what I'm going to do is bring in an application like Notepad and paste this out right here. And then I'm going to go around onto File and go to Save As. And let me just go around onto my desktop right here and select all files and save this as cv.html around over here and click on Save. So once I do that, this file has been saved around over here on my desktop. So let me just go around and open it up. And over here, you can see that I got this particular format over here. So now what you can do is you can simply go around and then copy this out over here, press Ctrl C, and then bring it out around over here onto an application like Word and paste it out. And then you got the formatting, as you can see easily. And this is how you can utilize HTML codes, that is tell ChatGPT to generate HTML codes so that it generates out formatting as well that you can copy and paste in Microsoft Word or other word processing applications. So I hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.